Hey guys, this is Raghav here from Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology, Islampur. I'm going to explain you the basic construction and working of machine called as lemon squeezer. First of all, let me tell you that this is an all new idea and thus the construction of such machine yet. The main motto of producing and developing this project is to squeeze the lemons in large quantity at a time by efficient human. Now let's see the main parts or the detailed parts of the machine in the disassembly condition. Number 1, the squeezer which squeezes the lemon. Number 2, the holding plate which holds the lemons to squeeze. Number 3, the thrower which throws out the squeezed lemons. Number 4, the lemon holding pipes with the supporting plate. And number 5, the squeezing pusher which pushes and helps to squeeze the lemons. And number 6, the heart of the mechanism, the part by which the continuity in the process is maintained. Now let's see the components of the mechanisms involved in the machine. Now this is a pair of rack and pinion. These are the two pairs of bevel gears. Now these are the three axial bearings and all these gears and bearings are mounted on the same shaft. Now these are various springs of various stiffnesses as required. Now this is a pair of two racks and a single pinion. Now this is the backmost mechanism. Now in this mechanism a L-shaped link and a connecting link and a sliding link is mounted, and these three links together with a fixed link form an inversion of 4-bar chain mechanism. Let's see the working of this machine. First we will see the stepwise working of the machine and the mechanisms involved in the machine, and then we will go for the assembled working. First we will see the squeezing pusher mechanism working. This squeezing pusher is pushed in the vertical manner by the human efforts in such a manner. There is an attachment of rack on this squeezing pusher and the pinion on this shaft. The reciprocating motion of this squeezing pusher is transferred to the rotating motion of the shaft through this pinion. This shaft is supported by these axial bearings, and on the shaft at a desired location we have kept the pair of two bevel gears. Now these bevel gears transfer the rotary motion of the shaft in the perpendicular direction to these two shafts on which the squeezers are mounted. These two shafts are supported by these axial bearings and thus the squeezers are rotated. The working of this mechanism. The main principle of this mechanism is to convert the vertical force applied on this L-shaped link into the sliding motion of the slider. Now, when we apply the force in the vertical direction at these points of these L-shaped links, then this vertical force is applied in this manner, and through this turning link, the vertical force direction is converted into the sliding motion of the slider, to which this holding plate and throwers are attached. So, the working in this manner. Now, as we see, there is a space requirement to remove the squeezed lemons over the squeezers, as there will be no space due to the pushing action. For this, we have to upper somewhat the pipes and the plate arrangement which will be there. This is achieved through this mechanism. See, there are two racks acting on the same pinion, through which the upper motion of the pipes and the lower motion of the squeezers is achieved simultaneously. To achieve the lower motion of the squeezers, the metallic strip is attached at the lower end of this rack, and this works in this manner. See. Now we want both these mechanisms work simultaneously in a single stroke. To achieve this heart of the mechanisms, or say the main pusher, is inserted through these four hollow tubes. As we can see here, the top of this L-shaped link and the top of this rack are touched simultaneously by the surface of this main pusher and are pushed downward to get the simultaneously working both the mechanisms. Let's see it's working. the final working of this machine. We can see here, for demonstration purpose, we have kept only one lemon to squeeze here, but in continued production, we can keep the stack of lemons inside these two pipes and we can start the production through this machine.